one, Neli. Salto. Neli, what do you have? What is this?
Ball.
It's a ball. Okay, can you tell me what color is this ball?
Green.
What?
Green.
It's green. Yes, green ball. Do you have any more balls with more colors? Do you have some?
Yes.
Show me. What color is this?
Pink.
It's pink. Pink ball. Okay, what is this? It's microwave, no?
Yes.
But you told me yesterday it's magic microwave. It's true?
Yes.
It's magic microwave? Green ball, pink ball, what else? Blue ball and
Yellow ball.
yellow. Okay.
And white ball.
And white.
And one pink ball.
And one big pink. Oh, it's a big ball. It's a big pink ball. Okay, you put it in the microwave. Really? Okay, put it there. Okay. Okay. Start it. Wow. What happened? It's not one. Open it. Wow. It changed. What is it?
Hello Kitty.
Hello Kitty. It's a pass dispenser. It's a candy dispenser, yeah? It's for candies. Good. Great. Okay, show me colors that are on the kitty. What are colors?
Blue.
Which one? Ah, this is blue,
White.
white.
Yellow.
Where's yellow?
Kitty.
Ah, the hand is yellow.
And
yes,
the nose.
arm. And the nose is yellow, yes.
And
And
pink.
pink, the heart is pink, yes.
And
And the core, the body is it's pink
dark
too.
pink.
Dark pink, yes. Very good. Okay, can we do something more?
Yeah.
Can we do one more? Okay. Show me. What colors you need now?
Oops. Red.
Red,
White.
red, white, and
Pink.
this is pink.
Blue.
Show me.
White.
White,
Blue.
blue.
And red.
And red.
And,
Okay.
and one more.
One more.
Big
Big
red.
red. Oh, I'm very curious what you're going to do. Okay, now you put it in microwave. Okay, put it inside. What are you going to create? Vamos otworzyć. Wow. What happened? What is this? Oh,
Santa.
it's a Santa Claus.
Yes.
Yes, you created from the balls. It's really magic microwave. Okay, what colors does the Santa have?
Red.
Red,
White.
white bird, yes.
And blue.
What is blue?
Blue eyes.
Blue eyes, okay.
And the red.
And the core is red. Okay, very good. Nice. Very well. Can we do one more?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, what colors you need now? What ball?
Purple.
Purple. Yeah. Wow.
Yellow.
Yellow. Okay. Purple,
Green.
yellow. And green.
Big pink.
And big pink. Okay. I'm very curious what's gonna be this. Okay. So put it in the microwave. Yeah. Okay. Wow. What is this? Wow.
Princess Rapunzel.
Princess Rapunzel. Hello, princess. Very well. Okay, what colors has this princess?
Yellow.
Yellow hair, yes.
Green.
Green, what is green? Green eyes, yes.
And purple dress.
Purple dress and the body, and the core is
Pink.
pink. Very good. Oh, you're real magical. Okay, great. Okay, so next time we are going to do something else. Next time. Okay, I hope you learned something, guys. We'll learn some colors. Next time we are going to learn letters and numbers. Okay, bye bye.